Today I'll just show something. Light on. My Commodore clock that is just worn down. Just place that board off. Yeah, it was okay. It was a clip. This clip that here is sounding. It is a nice clock, but only I want to do something with it, but it's just broken and chimes. And I actually must be helping, so I just do it handmade today. But first I let in the test if it works. Then I turn the power off, so I can place the power off, but I don't do that. It's not a backward clock, so first I do it handmade. But oh, there's oil too much. It's oil too much, that's the problem. Wait a second. Oh man, I cannot catch it. Wait a second. Just let this things go. Damn, I can do it. Oh my god. Yeah, that is not really fine to do. You can hear it. I just do it handmade. But I'll tell you. I feel him. I must be have a flashlight. Well, Tara does. So Tara can do with it. Wait. Can I see? Oh my gosh. Oh, there she are. Oh, that wasn't it. There are the hammers. Little move my table. Oh, there she are. Oh, sorry if that. There we are. Oh wait, she was just starting. Okay. This thing is just need something. If you can see it there. Oh my. Go to my Westminster. Hammers are broke, so wait. I cannot catch them. There we go. That are the hammers. You can see them there. Yeah, there are the hammers. I cannot see him, so wait. It's really not fine to do with it. Oh my. I cannot see the hammers best, but she are there. Okay, so I cannot catch him anymore. But now, do a test with it. Yeah, it's now on the hour, but that's broke. I'm sure I don't do that. So yeah.